Hi, my name is Brian Santana.
And I'm Sophia Martinez, and today we're going to tell you how atomic bombs connect with history and chemistry.
In 1938, Germany began to make the first atomic bomb in the laboratory in Berlin, Germany. The nuclear physicist that made this bomb was a man named Oppenheimer. Then, in 1945, the U.S. had the Manhattan Project to make their own atomic bomb during World War II, which was supported by the UK and Canada.
Then, on August 6, 1945, the U.S. dropped an atomic bomb which uses nuclear fission on Hiroshima from a B-29 bomber plane. The bomb destroyed 90% of the city and killed 80,000 people, then 40,000 people from the radiation exposure.
Then 3 days later, an atomic bomb was dropped on Nagasaki, killing 40,000 people. The radiation was so bad it is still radioactive to this day, but people can now go back to the cities.
The reason these bombs were so powerful was because they used nuclear fission. There is also nuclear fusion, but the one the US used was fission. Fusion is putting two small atoms together, usually hydrogen or hydrogen isotopes like deuterium or tritium, to form a larger one like helium isotopes. This is how much energy the sun produces. But fission, they split the nucleus of an atom into two smaller fragments by a neutron. It usually involves isotopes of uranium-235 or uranium-233 or plutonium-239.
The effects of the radiation exposure are vomiting, diarrhea, fatigue, burns, and extreme cases, death. The end.
Here we have Andrew Zavala demonstrating how people back then believed you can survive an atomic bomb. They would drop down to the ground and cover their skin as best as possible. Here we have Geronimo Reyes doing the exact same thing, but the only thing is, they believe that if you're walking by a wall, you would stop and push yourself up against the wall as close as possible, and you would curl up into a ball, so that way the wall would cover up most of the radiation and
Thank you for watching our video about how they connect.
Have a nice day.
The end.